Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to create hole with circle shape on your wall. Okay, so let's say here I have one room with no wall or windows, with no windows on the wall. Okay, let's say I want to create circle shape windows on the wall. I want to create hole. So you can go on the 2D view first. Okay, and then you can go to door or windows. Under window category, you can go to profile window. Okay, and then here we have one window, okay, with circle shape. Okay, so this is the number. You can put it on your wall. So when you go back to walkthrough, you will notice there is hole on the wall. Okay, so let's say you want to adjust the length and width of the windows. You can click on it and then you adjust manually on the model. Okay, let's say I adjust it here. And then to put the elevation, again you can click on it and then you have the high above ground. Okay, high above ground meaning that there is the elevation for your windows. Okay, so this one you can create as for windows, and also if you want to create hole with circle shape to your wall, you can use to this model. Alright, so that's all from me. Thank you.